Hey guys, I will show you how to fix this problem on Windows system. If your USB is not recognized on your Windows 11, so don't worry, we will fix this issue quickly. And this solution is applicable for Windows 10 as well as Windows 11 operating system. What you have to do, you need to just follow my screen and we will fix this issue together. In the first step, it's just one step process, so don't worry, it will not going to take a lot of time. Just right click on the start icon. We have to right click on it and then click on device manager. If you are not getting these from the right clicking on this icon, then just go to search bar, type your device manager and click here to open it. Once we are here, we need to expand the universal serial bus controller. You will get this icon here, just click on it and then just right click on the USB root hub USB 3.0, right click on it, select properties, go to drivers tab and click on update driver. You need to select the first option, search automatically for the drivers. Make sure you are connected with your internet connection, then click on it and the best drivers will be installed automatically. If this not work, then you can select second option, browse my computer for drivers. Click on let me pick from a list of available drivers on my computer. Select the model, click on next and it will refresh your window as well as everything drivers related to the USB hub. Now close all windows one by one and simply restart your system and your problem will be solved for sure. You can also check out our description link to fix this issue quickly and effectively. And yeah, don't forget to like the video. Please do subscribe the channel.